Hello and welcome to Lendsqr. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage customer transactions on the Lendsqr platform. Alright, so once you are in the Pecunia platform, all you need to do is come over to transactional management and go to transactions. So here are transactions. You can see all the transactions done in your lending business. You can see the total transactions, the count and the amount, successful, failed, and reversed. Also, basically, under transactions, the major transactions you see when managing your customers is wallet funding, bank transfer, card activation, and loan repayment. So, for example, here is a transaction, and you can see card activation. Another transaction, here you can see bank transfer. For more explanation, this yellow dot signifies a transaction that is still pending, while a green dot signifies the transaction was successful. Also, you can export your transactions either as Excel or CSV, comma separated value, for your own choice. All right. Thank you for listening and keep lending.